As a gay Igbo man who is juicy, glowy, sexy, moisturized, and unbothered, protected by my ancestors, divinely protected, doing what needs to be done, doing everything wonderful. This is what representation looks like. Living my life, living it unapologetically. My man said, we need to go and get the multivitamins that we need because I need to keep this gay, juicy Igbo body going. I need to keep my mind, body, and soul doing what it's supposed to do. So we went to a shop where they sell multivitamins. We got the multivitamins and I said to my baby, come, let's just go and get something snacky snack. We decided to go to this spot where they have some varieties of food, different types of food. I got what I needed to get. I ate a Thai curry style rice and vegetables. I'm not going to make myself small. I am going to live my life no matter what. I will still continue to be a juicy, moisturized, sexy, hydrated Igbo gay man from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State.